Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm doing a set of Baby Boomer. I'm going to be doing it with a hint of glitter and some sparkles. So it's like the classic Baby Boomer but with a little twist to it. So first I'm going to be using Nail Mate's Blizzard White, and I'm just going to apply that near the free edge area, blending it up towards the cuticle area, creating that soft fade. Then I'm using Perfect Pink, and I apply that near the cuticle area and I blend it down over the white. Once I'm happy with that, then I use Princess Crush, also from Glitter Planet's acrylic system, Nail Mate, and I apply that just at that blend area just to create a soft sparkle. And then once I'm happy with how the glitter placement is, I then encapsulate it using Crystal Clear from Glitter Planet. I repeat these steps on all 3 nails, leaving out my ring nail because I'm going to be doing something different on that nail. And as you can see, in between applying the acrylic, I'm constantly cleaning my brush. I'm wiping it, dipping it in monomer, wiping it, and making sure that all the acrylic is out of the brush so nothing's sticking. By constantly wiping and cleaning your brush throughout your acrylic application, it basically helps prevent product buildup in your acrylic brushes, and it helps you keep your brushes in its perfect condition. Now I'm going to apply Perfect Pink over my entire ring nail, and then I'm going to apply Princess Crush on the other nails. Then the worst thing happens that everybody dreads. My camera battery ran out and I was going along doing my nails until I realised that the camera wasn't even on. So you end up missing the part where I'm applying Princess Crush on the entire nail. But that's all I did, just the same way I applied the glitter on my other nails, I just applied it on the ring nail. I then get some of these beautiful shells. So once I've picked the colours that I wanted to use, I just use the end of my brush to put pressure on them and they start cracking. So I broke them up into small little pieces, and then using crystal clear acrylic, I gently placed the little shell pieces and I basically arranged them on my nail. Comment below what colour shells would you use instead of, I obviously went for pink and purple, but what colour would you went for? And then once I'm happy with how the shells are placed, then I just encapsulate them using clear acrylic. So this is what my nails look like after encapsulating them all, and I then file them and shape them and buff them, and this is how they look now. I'm going to be applying the top coat now, and I'm using Madam Glam's No Wipe Gel Top Coat. And after applying that on my nails, I cure it in an LED lamp for 1 minute. Then I'm applying the cuticle oils and I'm rubbing it in, and voila, that's the set complete. Super cute and beautiful, pretty, girly kind of nails, so I'm in love with them. When I'm tilting the nails you can see all the colour and the design reflecting with the light. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like and share this video. I'm sending you lots of love, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.